In this video, we are going to solve part 2nd of question number 5th. Again, you have to prove the following identity. So here, basically we have to prove that our right hand side is equals to our left hand side. And this I have already told you in the previous video. Either you can start with the one side and you can prove this as equal to the other side, or you can start with this side, or you can prove this side equals to this side. Okay, now let's start with our left hand side and prove that solving this expression on the left hand side will give me the expression on the right hand side. Okay, now obviously this is a fraction and this expression is in sine and cos, this is in sec, and we know that sec is inverse of cos. So first of all, we have to convert this complete expression in an expression containing only cos. Then only that cos can be converted into sec. Okay, so now let's solve. And to do so, first of all, obviously this is a fraction, and we have to add these two fractions. And if you want to add two fractions, obviously you have to take LCM, and the LCM of two different denominator is their multiplication. So the LCM of 1 plus sine theta and cos theta is 1 plus sine theta multiplied by cos theta, and here our theta is A. Now we have to cross multiply it because denominators are different, and we know that in that case we have to cross multiply it. Okay, now this multiplied by this is cos square A, and this multiplied by this, these are same thing. So 1 plus sine square A whole sine square theta whole square. Okay, now solve this further. This cos square theta will remain as it is, and if we have to expand this, obviously I have to use the formula a plus b ka whole square. A plus b whole square is equals to a square. So a square will be 1 plus b square, and our b square will be sine square a plus 2 into a into b, and our a is 1, so 2 into 1 is 2, and b is sine a whole upon, this is 1 plus sine a multiplied by cos a. Now let's solve this further. We know that cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1. This is a standard identity which we have discussed in the earlier videos, that sine square theta plus cos square theta is always 1. So sine square theta plus cos square theta will be 1, and this one will become 2. 1 plus 1 will become 2. So 2 plus, this is 2 sine theta. Theta here is a, so this will become 1 plus sine a multiplied by cos a. Let's solve this further. Now take 2 common from here, and if we take 2 common from the numerator, from 2 has taken out, so only 1 as a factor will remain inside the bracket. From 2 sine theta, if 2 is taken out, only sine a will remain inside the bracket. One thing is important here, if this is 2 and if this is 2 sine theta, and I have to take common. If I take common 2 from here, it doesn't mean that if I take 2 as common, it doesn't mean that inside the bracket there will be 0, because when we take 2 as a common, we take 2 as a factor. Means if I convert this value as 2 can be written as 2 multiplied by 1, and this can be written as 2 multiplied by sine a. So if I have to take 2 as common, so I am taking 2 as a factor here. So 1 will, and sine a will remain inside the bracket. Okay, this is important here. and in the denominator 1 plus sin A and cos A will be there. 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A are same, can be cancelled, and this will be 2 upon, this is cos A. Okay, solve this further. This can be written as 2 multiplied by 1 upon cos A. So we have converted this expression into an expression having only cos A, and we know that inverse of cos is nothing but sec. So 1 upon cos can be written as sec theta, and this is equals to our right hand side. So this is how you can solve this second part also. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any problem in maths, you can directly contact us. This is our phone number. You can call us or you can send us your query on WhatsApp. Thank you.